Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of I think this is the May 2020 DIY box from Kraftika, and this is actually the first box that I've gotten since February, I think. So March and April and also May I have not gotten any boxes. So I'm waiting for the other ones, but this is going to be fun since this is the first one in a really long time. So let's see what it is. Oops, sorry, I have a new stand here. It doesn't really work. You know, as I said before, I had some problems with the stands, the lights and everything. I'm trying to fix it, but just this thing didn't really work. Okay, so here's the piece of paper that doesn't show what we're gonna make. That doesn't matter. And okay, that's that. Oh, not so much this time. Look, maybe it's something beautiful. Okay, let's start with the first bag. This is, let's see, better open it. And these bags are kind of flimsy and they are small. Oh, look at this. Wow. I hope you can see it. They are, looks like some kind of a dagger type bead, but a little squarish and maybe four millimeters thick and about 12 maybe long, and it's transparent, a little bit bronzish, could be Picasso. Very nice. I'm going to put it on top. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put it in the bag. And also on my floor, as usual. Let's see. I hope you're all having a great time, considering the pandemic and all. In here where I live, it's kind of nice weather now, actually. It's been super cold for being May, and it's the end of May. And usually by this time we have really warm weather and everything's there's green trees and flowers and everything, and people are always outside. They swim, they go to the beach, they're in the parks, whatever. But not this year. It's been too cold for that. And here people don't really care that much about restrictions, and also they are like everywhere, but they are not swimming. And these are cool too. These are dagger beads with, I'd say, it feels kind of like they are kind of etched at the sides here, I think. Can you see that? Maybe, I don't know. They're very cute, I think, with the patterns on the sides. It's going to be fun to see what they actually are. When you go on their website, you can check that out. Okay, cool. Put them there. And then we have two small jump rings, maybe 6 millimeters, like that. I'm not going to take them out because we all know what they look like. And then we have, oh, sorry. Another set of daggers, I guess. Let's see, what is this? These are just the same as these ones, but they are smaller. Oh my god, sorry for the seasickness. All right, and they are also kind of a light brown, or maybe light brown, yellowish, greenish color, with the sides here, the etched sides in maybe bronze, something like that. They're cool. Let's put them back. So we're all very much longing for the summer, which we can feel is on the way, but it's not here yet. And we also, of course, hope that this coronavirus pandemic will come to an end pretty soon. I think this is a horrible situation for the world. All right, moving on. We have the same beads as these, the longer one with the etched sidings, but I think these are more, the transparent glass here in the middle, I think it's more a greenish shade. So maybe these two go together. I think so. These are more green, but the same type as the other ones. So there was a lot of glass beads in here. It always is glass, but a lot of the same type. Okay. There. And then we have, oh, even more. And these are nice, really. These are a topazy gold color. Where is the opening? Here, let's see. Oh, these are cool. These are like squarish type drop beads. I don't know. Oh my god, what is this? I have to fix this. But they are kind of cool. I hope you can see the color. Really nice. It's obviously it's a crystal type of bead with, I'd say, I'd like to say it's Picasso finish in the darker splotches on it. You see? Very cool. This color I really, really liked. It spoke to me. Anyway, I'm gonna put them back or not. Oh, this is hard. Why is this so difficult for me to put them in the bags? Well, that's how it is. Okay, put them there. And then we have a piece of string, or is it a wire? I'm gonna regret this, I know. It's a wire. I have no idea how long it is. Oh, this was a stupid idea. Okay, it's a wire, and I think it's a golden shade, bronze golden shade. And then we have crimp rings, a couple of golden crimp rings. Okay. Is it called crimp rings? No, crimp beads maybe. Okay, and then we have a golden lobster clasp. Very nice. And that was it. Nothing more in the little bag. Okay, so this is going to be, I suppose, maybe a necklace. It's usually always a necklace and one other thing. So I'm guessing probably a bracelet of some kind. There were not a lot of beads this time, and for $30, $35 to get it to my door, I think it's a bit expensive. But we'll see. Maybe it turns out to be something nice. And at the end of this video, I will show you what I made of it. Made with all of these beads. So hopefully I'll be back real soon again. Bye! Hey people, I am back again, and now I have finished the project for May, and it turned out that it was one necklace and one bracelet. And these are the beads that I have left from this, and also all of the crimp beads and the string. I didn't use that. The crimp beads couldn't crimp very well, I thought, and the string or the wire, it just snapped every time, so I didn't use them. Okay, but the bracelet is actually very nice, I think. It looks like this up close, and the colors are really cool together. And I went online to the website, to Kraftika's website, and I checked these beads out because I didn't know what it was. I thought that that they were daggers of some kind, but of course not. They are flat oval petal table cut window beads and it is a Picasso finish on them, and I think, okay, if you look at this one here is peridot green. It looks very green in the camera, I think, and this one here is a brownish yellow, and there are Picassos. This one here is I thought this was a dagger too, and it is not. It's actually some kind of a drop, but they say it's a petal and that it's twisted. and it's kind of like a flower dagger. So I was half right in that it was a dagger, and they are actually very cool, I think, because if you can see it like this, you see they are thick on in the middle, and they taper to the sides, and it's like a drop. Very nice, I think. And the clasping is just a regular lobster clasp with a split ring. I said this was a jump ring. It was not. It's a split ring. So this is very nice, I think. And we have a little bracelet, and there are these beads here. They are the same as the larger ones, I mean color-wise and type-wise. So this is cool. I think they are very cute. And the colors are a little bit unusual for me, but I would definitely wear it because I like them. And we have our brand spanking new website up and running. So please come visit if you want to check them out. And it's estellewile.com. So thank you so much all for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.